This is the Dagger. It's a small, nimble B-type ship with hard-hitting weapons designed to be good in combat, as well as being small, so it's harder to hit. This video is a build guide detailing how to create this ship. To construct the Dagger, you're going to need to go to the Sol system, and in the Sol system, you're going to need to go to the Desmos Staryard, where all of these parts can be found. So to start off, we're going to take a Desmos all-in-one berth, 3x1, so it's nice and long. Then we're going to go underneath it and slide a 320 CB landing gear at the very back, and then a 120 LD landing bay, like that. We're then going to take a DS 20.3 Phobos cockpit and slap it on the front. And then take a 20T hauler cargo hold from Sexton and slide that on the back there. We're then going to take 4 Desmos wings, and slide them like this, with one variation pointing each direction, like that. To start the next part of the construction, we're going to go to the back of the ship and take a Duin 2-1 engine, and we're going to slide that right there. We're then going to take another one of our landing gear and slide that on the bottom of it. Then, to do the center, we're going to take an R2000 alpha drive from Realidyne, and we're going to put that there. We're then going to take a 110 DP Docker, the top variation from Desmos. We're going to put that next. Then we're going to take a Z Machine 2000 reactor, put that next, following off with just a Desmos Crowling, like that. Then, to finish off the sides, we're going to take a White Dwarf 10,020 engine. We're going to put one on each side. We're going to put one on each side of the grav drive. And then the next tile over, we're going to put the 300G helium-3 tank, as well as a shield generator, the deflector 3G400. Now to add the weapons. So to start, we're going to take an Attel 270B missile launcher from Light Scythe, and we're just going to place that right on top of the cockpit. Then we're going to take 4 Distributor 3320 neutron turrets, and we're going to place one on the bottom there, and then one on the top on each side. Make sure these are on the port wing instead of the aft wing, as it's very important. You can do the same on this side. Then, to paint the ship, we're going to double click on any part twice, and then we're going to click J to bring up the painting menu. In color 1, we're going to turn saturation all the way to the end here, and bring the brightness so it's around here for like a darkish red. Make sure the hue is all the way to the left. Then for color 2, we're going to do complete black, no brightness, and no saturation either. And then same with color 3. This is the outside view of the ship. As you can see, it's quite small. It's not exactly the biggest ship, but that should work to its advantage when in ship combat. So if we go into the ship, there's really only 2 rooms. The 3-in-1 hab that we placed, which is good sign for a hab. You got nice beds, recreational stuff, a galley, and then here's the cockpit. So it's a small kind of sectioned off one with that room, this room / section, then the main room where the people sit, and then do the flying. And then here is the captain's seat.